Nature's beauty is a constant reminder of our responsibility to protect and cherish it. Every drop of water and every breath of air is interconnected. Let's preserve the harmony of our planet. The future belongs to those who have the courage to speak up, for the voiceless creatures of the earth. In the delicate balance of life, we hold the power to either harm or heal. Let's choose wisely. Never underestimate the impact of small actions. They have the potential to create ripples of change. Nature is not a resource to be exploited. It's a teacher that holds the wisdom of centuries. The earth is our home, and we are mere guests. Let's leave a legacy of love and respect for future generations. The true measure of success lies not in what we accumulate, but in what we leave behind for the world. Diversity in nature is a testament to the brilliance of creation. Let's celebrate and protect it. Even the tiniest seed has the power to grow into a mighty tree. Never doubt your ability to make a difference. Silence is not an option when nature's symphony is at stake. Let your voice be heard for the sake of all living beings. The beauty of nature lies not in its predictability, but in its ability to surprise and inspire us. Change starts within each of us. Let's cultivate a mindset of environmental stewardship and be the change we wish to see. The world is a canvas, and we are the artists. Let's paint a picture of harmony and sustainability. Nature doesn't belong to us, we belong to nature. It's time we act accordingly. The path to a sustainable future begins with knowledge. Educate yourself and others about the importance of environmental conservation. The resilience of nature is a testament to its power. Let's be inspired by it and work towards a brighter future. In the tapestry of life, every species is a thread. Let's ensure that we don't unravel the beauty of our planet. Hope is the fuel that drives change. Let's keep the flame of hope alive in our hearts. Nature is a gift that keeps on giving. Let's embrace it with gratitude and give back in return. When we harm nature, we harm ourselves. Let's nurture the interdependence of all life forms. The Earth is a fragile spaceship hurtling through space. Let's be the responsible astronauts it deserves. Sometimes, all it takes is one person to inspire a movement. Be that person who sparks change. The intricate web of life connects us all. Let's weave compassion and empathy into our actions. Don't just observe nature, be an active participant in its preservation. Leave footprints of kindness, not destruction. Let the wonders of the natural world be your muse. Creativity and conservation go hand in hand. In the face of adversity, nature finds a way to thrive. Let's learn from its resilience and adaptability. Our planet is a shared heritage. Let's bridge the gaps that divide us and work together for a sustainable future. The beauty of nature is a mirror reflecting the beauty within ourselves. Let's preserve both with equal care. Life is a precious gift. Let's treasure it by nurturing the ecosystems that sustain us. Progress should not come at the expense of nature. Let's find harmony between human development and environmental protection. Never underestimate the power of a single action. Each choice we make has the potential to create a ripple effect of change. The Earth is a book, and each species is a chapter. Let's ensure that no pages are lost. Nature speaks to us in whispers. Let's listen attentively and respond with compassion. The wonder of nature is that it's a perpetual source of inspiration. Let's tap into its magic and create a sustainable world. We are all interconnected, woven into the fabric of life. Let's strengthen those threads and foster a sense of unity. Nature's palette is vast and vibrant. Let's add our brushstrokes of conservation to create a masterpiece of sustainability. Our actions today determine the world we leave behind. For tomorrow, let's choose wisely and with the future in mind. The Earth is not just our home. It's a shared sanctuary for all living beings. Let's honor that sacred space.